Hi guys, this is Jordan here from Custom Overland and welcome to my channel. So we all know that having a great time at camp is definitely part of overlanding. But you know, sometimes in the morning all we want is to pack up everything real fast, have a quick breakfast in order to get back on the trails as soon as possible. And in today's video I'm gonna show you my way to have a quick breakfast. Let's get to it. And just like that, you're ready to go under 5 minutes. How awesome is that? And another way to be even faster in the morning, and that's pretty obvious, is to not take a breakfast at all. But this is something I can do, and honestly this is something I totally not recommend you. Having a empty belly, especially in the morning, and especially if you're all alone in the middle of nowhere, is never a good idea, even if you're a tough guy and you do that for years and years. Honestly, that's not a good idea. And now what you can do is tell me in the comments what's your quick way to have a breakfast in the morning when you really want to hit those trails. And also, if you like this video, you can subscribe now so you won't miss any gear review, any tips or any adventure in the future. And for even more awesome content, you can check my Instagram account, my Patreon page and my brand new Custom Overland website. Thank you guys for watching and see you next week.